All right, let's season our mackerel fish with a little bit of salt. All right. Just want to press it in nicely. Beautiful. And now we're going to get ready to fry it. Okay, my oil is nice and hot. We're going to fry our mackerel. All right, our seasoned mackerel. Let me cook it. There we go. Oh, wow. Perfect. All right, we're going to cook both sides. All right. All right, this is how we want it, guys. Let's just put this on the side now. All right, this is perfect. This is what we want. All right, there you have it. Let's put this aside now. All right. All right, now that we have a lot of oil in it, it's the same pan, same seasoned oil. We're gonna take some of this extra oil out. All right, let's saute our garlic. Onion. Ginger. And let's mash in and incorporate our chicken cube. That's 1/2 a chicken cube. All right. Let's incorporate that nicely. Oh, this smells delicious, guys. The aroma is wonderful. Shrimp paste. We're going to now add our zucchini. Oh yes, I cleaned it nicely. Oh wow. Get these flavors going. All right, let's add our black pepper. Wonderful. Let's add our water. Yes. Wonderful. All right, let's add our wonderful mackerel in this wonderful season. Oh, wow, this is gonna be great. All right, let's get it all in there. Wonderful, wonderful. All right, let's cover this nicely and cook this for 3 to 5 minutes. Oh, wow. Wow, look at this. This is it, guys. Oh my goodness, this is delicious. Look at how this is. It smells great. Let's taste it. Let's taste it. Ooh. Oh, here you have it. Another quick, delicious soup mackerel dish. I'm telling you, have this over rice or a side of rice. This is another delicious Filipino dish. I'm telling you, enjoy. Those of you that are first to my channel, please like and subscribe for more delicious, quick, healthy vegetable dishes like this. I'm telling you guys, come on board. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.